Is there anything more dangerous than AIDS? Yes. Hepatitis B and C viruses, the silent deadly killer viruses. Millions, why billions of microorganisms invisible to the human eyes are swarming in the environment around us eternally. Some of these organisms infect and endanger the mankind. Hepatitis B and C viruses come under this category. You know how? Like the white ants eat into the wooden structures without any overt evidence, these viruses enter into the liver, multiply, and damage the entire liver without causing any significant symptoms before the disease is diagnosed. Liver is the chemical factory of our body that performs over several hundreds of functions round the clock. Hepatitis B and C viruses damage healthy liver permanently, resulting in an irreparable shrunken liver called cirrhosis of liver, and in few cases may lead to life-threatening liver cancer too. Several million Indians are suffering from these hepatitis B and C related liver diseases. This is a great public health concern for India. Unfortunately, in the beginning, the patient does not appreciate any symptoms, hence delay in the early diagnosis. But in the advanced stage, the patient presents with a paleness, bloating of tummy, swollen legs, and jaundice as a result of progressing liver failure. Luckily, nowadays, accurate early diagnosis of hepatitis B and C is possible with a blood test, scan, and endoscopy. With available highly effective antiviral drugs, over 95% of hepatitis C is curable, and over 80% of hepatitis B infections are treatable. But in the advanced stage, cure is not possible. Hepatitis B and C are bloodborne infections and disseminate like AIDS virus. Currently, B virus is totally preventable with the 3 doses of vaccine. Unfortunately, there is no preventive vaccine against C virus is available as on today. But there are certain preventive measures like screening of these viruses before blood transfusion, avoiding unprotected sex, and not sharing needles with infected persons and drug addicts, inclusive master health checkup, and vaccinating newborn and healthcare personnel against B virus. These preventive measures need to be promoted in our society to eradicate these viruses. This animated presentation has been created in the interest of public by Medindia Hospitals and Charitable Trust, Nangambakam, Chennai.